friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do paper quilling. So today we are going to make two cards of paper quilling. We are going to make a caterpillar and a butterfly. My favorite, a butterfly. So for that we need this. Looks like hair. Paper strips, and the paper strips look like paper hair. We need these two. We need these two colored papers. We need a scissor and glue for sticking. Let's begin. And use purple and yellow for the butterfly. Now I'm going to use this purple strip for the wings. I have to make it a little bigger, so I'm using a steel straw. Let's begin. Butterfly is done. Like, share, subscribe, click the bell button for latest updates.